Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This program very different subjects. Posi logia supremushu. Posi logia supremushu and Metalogia ahusupremus. Metalogia ahusupremus. What does it mean? You know, I have been declared before. One new theorem that to explain and should be make effort to prove proven of the single one multiply single one universe theorem. And first of all, Posi logia supremushu. Phi losopher Efruzhu, new theorem, single one multiply single one universe. Just same. All of the positive sciences had been started single one, unique one, positive, supreme, origin, science. Name is Posi logia supremushu. Then multiply total complete sciences, then later at the end would have been become unique, single one science. This is absolute, obligatory, absolutely planned by heavenly, by ALİMHU, one go to one. Every positive science existing separate identity character, but another characters connected others positive sciences. Every science support dominant, recessive, passive, neuter, female, male, suppress, repress, etc. with another positive science or others positive sciences, our all publications, 12 new sciences, 12 new theorems, 33 theories and laws, 33 hypotheses and legislations, 33 scientific previsions and pointers, 1 cancer carcinogenesis theory and laws, 1 opposition multimodality UNİQUEHU ANTİCANCER drug who North Cyprus, same uniqueness, oneness, mentality, creation by Haliku One, Godhu One. This program, designed by UNİQUEHU METAPOSİHU philosopher Efruzhu, North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot. And now we are continuing opposite science's origin. Metalogi ahusupremus. Metalogi ahusupremus. All of the metaphysical sciences, but totally one, because undivisible. Every positive science, superficial or deep science, all the time absolutely obligatory together. It's identical opposite metaphysical science. Just same human material body and spiritual body together. All of the metaphysical sciences had been started from Metalogi ahusupremus, origin. Metaphysical sciences is inner layer, except time and place, existing to be infinity, endless, unchangeable. Vice versa, contrary. Positive sciences, outer layers, obligatory dependence, time and place, changeable, divisible, at the end would have been finished, lost, died, just like material body. Contrary, the spiritual body never impossible died or finished, independent time and place, endless, eternity, forever, unique, single, identity, reality. This program, designed by UNİQUEHU METAPOSİHU philosopher Efruzhu, North Cyprus, Turkish Cypriot. And our last program, we are continuing with drawing. And I would like say something, expression about this drawing. This drawing show us that to start point all of the universes, all of the sciences together at first had been started unique one, single one point that we called opposite these dynamics names Metalogiahu supremus, Posilogia supremushu. Left side and right side sciences. Left side inner layer deep sciences, right side positive sciences and outer layer superficial sciences. And I would like to say again this starting point: Metalogiahu supremus, Posilogia supremushu. Single one science, single one universe. Then continue. Just like explosion. Multiply science, multiply universes, multiply sciences, multiply universes. Then at the end of the world would have been become all of these sciences and all of these universes, multiply universes, would have been become single one science and single one universe. This is absolutely obligatory, planned and designed by Halikuan Gotuan. Same mentality. Human spiritual body continuously Metalogiahu supremus, and human spiritual body continues the Posilogia supremushu. Metalogiahu supremus, real heavenly level, vice versa, opposite. Imagine at this world level with brain programs, human material body, dependence of Posilogia supremushu. This program, designed by philosopher Efruzhu, UNİQUEHU METAPOSİHU philosopher Efruzhu, North Cyprus, Turkish CYPRİOT. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Our main headquarters, site, webputres, www.youtube.com/Efruzhu Cancer Theory. Thanks a lot.